Welcome to this algebra lesson on negative exponents. Have you ever wondered what it means when a number has a negative power, like x to the power of negative a? It is important to know that this does not result in a negative number. Instead, it represents a reciprocal relationship. In this video, we will explore exactly how this works and why. Before we dive into negatives, let's quickly review positive exponents. When we see something like 2 cubed or 2 to the power of 3, it is a shorthand for repeated multiplication. The base is 2 and the exponent is 3, which tells us to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. To understand negative exponents, let's look at a pattern. Start with 2 cubed, which is 8. If we go down to 2 squared, we get 4. 2 to the first power is 2. Notice that each time we decrease the exponent by 1, we are dividing the result by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So if we continue this pattern for 2 to the negative 1, we must divide 1 by 2, giving us the fraction 1/2. This leads us to the general rule for negative exponents. X to the power of negative n is equal to 1 divided by x to the power of positive n. Simply put, a negative exponent tells you to take the reciprocal of the base. It is crucial to remember that the negative sign in the exponent acts as an instruction to flip the base to the denominator, not to make the value negative. Let's visualize this flip. Imagine the term x to the negative a. To make the exponent positive, we physically move the base x to the bottom of a fraction. So x to the negative a becomes 1 over x to the positive a. The base moves downstairs, and the sign changes. Let's apply this to a number. Consider 5 to the power of negative 2. According to our rule, we rewrite this as 1 over 5 squared. Since 5 squared is 25, our final answer is the fraction 1/25. What if the base is already a fraction? Here we have 2/3 raised to the power of negative 2. The negative exponent tells us to find the reciprocal of the base. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Once we flip the fraction, the exponent becomes positive 2. Squaring 3/2 gives us 9 over 4. A very common mistake students make is thinking that 5 to the negative 2 equals negative 25 or negative 10. This is incorrect. Remember, the negative exponent does not affect the sign of the result. It only affects the position of the base. The result is a positive fraction, 1 over 25. To summarize, keep these 3 points in mind. First, negative exponents indicate the reciprocal, or 1 over x second. The result is never a negative number just because the exponent is negative. And third, simply move the base to the denominator to make the exponent positive. Here are a few practice problems to test your understanding. 4 to the negative 3 becomes 1 over 64. X to the negative 7 simplifies to 1 over x to the 7th. 3 to the negative 1 is just 1/3. And finally, the fraction 1/5 to the negative 2 flips to become 5 squared, which is 25.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.